Voila! This is the aftermath of the space. This is the outside where you get to snap your picture as you're coming in. Can see how we'll do you brush. Look at the inside. Bon appetit. Can see the lovely cute design over there. Can see the lovely paintings on the wall, reading flow that goes with the Baie Marie painting at the background, where you get to be served your delicious and yummy foods. Can see how awesome the space is. It's a top-notch color that I have not seen in Nigeria based on eatery settings. This is a unique one. This is the first landing going upward to the private setting space for receiving VIP visitors that hit. Can see what we have on the walls there. These aren't ribbons, they are real colors, giving us those patterns on the wall. You can see how beautiful this come out. Now going to the second landing that leads us to the bar. Liquid therapy, cocktails available. So do feel free to call me on the lines that will be displayed on the screen, and 3Chris&Sons will deem it fit to give you the best interiors design, including any choice of your properties, and the rest assured that I, Oluwa Bukola, will be there for you. Just dial the numbers and you will not regret doing so. Love you all. Do have a wonderful day. Take care. Remain blessed. Bye.